Hello, friends, and welcome back to Reserved Grace. I'm Angie, and today we're diving into a trend that's not only timeless, but officially front and center on Vogue's 2025 forecast. Pearls. Yes, pearls are having a major comeback, and the world of fashion is taking notice. From the Met Gala red carpet to the spring and summer 2025 fashion runways, pearls are no longer just classic. They're also kind of cool. We'll explore the styles, the stories, and the pearls to know, and how to spot the real thing. Also, how to care for your collection, and of course, I'll be sharing some of my favorites from the Reserved Grace Vault. So grab your favorite beverage, maybe an iced tea, maybe champagne, and let's get into it. Let's start with what's making pearls feel fresh again. In a recent Vogue piece, fashion writer Christian Allaire said it best, and I love this quote. Summer, it's when you want to wear as little clothing as possible. Accessories then become an instant wardrobe hack. In this sweltering summer heat, pearls can elevate your look without added bulk or heat. And according to Vogue, pearls have returned as a symbol of femininity, versatility, and individuality. From oversized chokers to delicate drop earrings, this is a full-on pearl renaissance. In fact, Elle is calling it a pearlissance. And that might be my new favorite word. Chunky, unique, and exaggerated pearls on necklaces, handbags, and even denim. And the fall 2025 collections doubled down, showing pearls mixed with metals and styled with both gowns and jeans. Not all pearls are created equal. There are two main types of pearls: natural pearls, formed without any human help, which are extremely rare, and cultured pearls, when humans implant tiny irritants into a mollusk and then nature does the rest. Both types can come from freshwater or saltwater sources. Now here's a jaw-dropping historical gem. In 1917, Cartier traded 2 strands of natural pearls valued at $1.5 million, plus $100 cash, for Morton Plant's Fifth Avenue mansion. That mansion was valued at $950,000 at the time. You do the math. Pearls were once the most valuable gemstone on earth, but let's go even deeper. South Sea pearls, the most luxurious, often white or golden with a thick nacre and a luminous glow. Think royalty. Then there's Akoya pearls. Classic and refined, these saltwater pearls from Japan have incredible luster. Then Tahitian pearls, dark, mysterious, and dramatic. These pearls from French Polynesia are coveted for their iridescent hues. Freshwater pearls, the most accessible and diverse in all shapes and colors, perfect for artistic contemporary designs. And you may have noticed that pearls are showing up everywhere and not just around the neck. We're seeing feminine drop styles, bold clusters, and one of my favorites, asymmetrical designs. Pearl bracelets reimagined with chain links and textured metals. Think classic meets modern edge. Pearl rings, well, they've gone from dainty to a little more daring. And personally, I love a Baroque pearl. It's like wearing nature's sculptural art. And even better, pearls are not just for jewelry anymore. You can find them on handbags, heels, and even the hems of cardigan sweaters. I've seen pearl-studded denim and even button-downs with pearl dotted collars. That's the style that brings me back. This is culture meets casual and nostalgia. This year's Met Gala was a pearl lover's dream. Stars stunned in custom looks, dripping in pearls. But the moment that stopped me was Pharrell Williams. He partnered with Louis Vuitton and wore a pearl-encrusted blazer that had the entire fashion world totally buzzing. And speaking of Louis Vuitton, there's now a pearl speedy bag. And listen, that bag is everything. If you see it vanish off the resale market, it may be because I got my hands on it. And when I do, you better believe I'll be back here to do a big reveal. But how do you tell if pearls are real or not? I'm just going to give you a mini crash course. We're going to start with the tooth test. Yes, the tooth test. Controversial, but a real thing. For the tooth test, gently rub the pearls across your front teeth. Probably not a good idea when you have lipstick on. Real pearls feel gritty. Fake pearls feel smooth and glassy. And trust me when I tell you, once you tell the difference, you'll know. You'll immediately be able to tell. Next is shape and surface. Real pearls aren't perfect. Look for slight imperfections or irregularities. Too perfect? Probably plastic. Real pearls have sharp drill holes. Fake pearls will show chipped paint or even cuts. Weight and temperature. Real pearls feel cool to the touch and they have more weight than plastic or resin. Luster. Look for that deep inner glow. Real pearls reflect light in a soft, diffused way. Let's talk about caring for your pearls. Remember, pearls are organic. They're delicate. And here's how to make them last. This first rule is so key, and not just for pearls. I like to think of this as a rule in general for all jewelry. Last on and first off. Apply perfume, lotion, makeup, anything, everything before putting on your pearls. And when you get home or when you're done with the day, the pearls come off first. Then wipe them gently with a clean cloth to remove oils and sweat. And please remember, pearls can scratch easily. Use a soft pouch or separate compartment to keep your pearls safe. And there may be times, especially if your strand is vintage, consider stringing your pearls every few years to avoid breakage. That would be heartbreaking. Although pearls are having a major moment, their power never really went away. From delicate heirlooms to bold modern statements, pearls continue to redefine elegance. I'd love to hear from you. How do you style your pearls? Do you have a treasured vintage piece with a story? Or have you been inspired recently to add a new, bold piece to your collection? Leave a comment below and give this video a like if you found it helpful. And remember to subscribe to Reserved Grace for more jewelry stories, style inspiration, and incredible vintage finds. And for first access to curated pearl pieces and other timeless treasures, be sure to check out reservedgrace.com and join our reserved list. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon, and maybe with a pearl speedy on my arm.